Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch RPS touchscreen special for Toyota Avalon 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, let me introduce it. You can check the front panel, this UI interface. The head unit will come with special harness and canvas box for Toyota Avalon. This canvas box and this radio antenna, this special USB, original USB, and these connectors, power and backup camera. This power, this backup camera, two backup camera. The harness, special harness will come with the head unit together. Okay, let me show it. This have DVD slots. You can play on CD or DVD. It's volume button, and this knob, this buttons, this microphone reset hole, IR. There are two SD card slots. Okay, all apps you can check. You can choose the time. You can choose logo, and you can choose this GPS. You can connect on back. All apps are here. It's built-in DSP amplifier. This DSP amplifier. This back button. Okay. It's built-in Google Maps. It's built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store, and it supports video out. Okay, and built-in YouTube. You can check the settings. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose a Toyota logo. When you back the home, it's nothing changed. You need to choose the logo. Okay, and this theme editor, you can adjust any color on this panel. It's blue, it's red. Any color you can adjust. This gray. I'm gonna choose the red. Let me check the settings. Cast setting, person setting, LED setting. You can choose the button lights will change green. This button lights. Okay, this red, blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Let me choose a red. Okay. About motion, you can check this M3 variant. CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB. This PX5 octa-core. Android 9 Pie system. Okay. And there is storage. Let me check. It's total 64 GB. 64 GB storage. This home. Okay, first let me introduce the Bluetooth. You need a long press, add the app, choose the Bluetooth. Its device name and the pin number. Let me open my phone. Okay, this is my phone, Galaxy S8 Plus. Choose the Bluetooth. Click search button. Click pair button. You can check your phone will get command. Please put 40 1234. Click OK. Okay, it shows the Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay. Let me show the Bluetooth streaming music from your phone. Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth from your phone. This navy button. It's built in Google Maps when you click this button. Let me check the back. Connect not well. This mute button, mute on, mute off. Okay, let me show its name. It's Google built in Google Maps. Okay, there is 2 USB cable on back. This is USB hub. There are 4 USB, and this switch button. Let me connect it. The light we are on. You can check for USB. Let me connect the USB driver. One USB port. It will play music automatically. It's running Google navigation and music at the same time. Let me show the video disable for your safety. So you need to set it in the settings, car setting, drum setting, turn on the watch video, and we play again. This 4K, send some 4K demo video, wrote the word. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.